In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header image to your Google form. This is a fantastic way to give your form a professional touch or make it more visually appealing, whether you're using it for a survey, a quiz, or any other purpose. Adding a unique and personalized header can not only enhance the look of your form, but also make it more engaging for those who are filling it out. So let's dive right into the process. To start off, what you need to do is open your Google form. This is the starting point, and whether you're accessing a form you've already created or a new one, the steps are the same. Now have the form that you're intending to add the header image to right in front of you. Great, let's proceed to the next step. Next up, let's personalize your form by accessing the theme settings. You can do this by going to the top of the form where you'll see a paint palette icon. This is your customize theme button. Give that icon a click. It's designed to help you make stylistic adjustments to your form, and it's a really handy feature for fine-tuning the overall aesthetics. Once you're inside the theme customization menu, direct your attention to the header section. You'll notice an option there that says choose image. Click on this to begin the process of adding a new header image to your form. Here, Google provides you with the flexibility to either select an image from its gallery or upload one of your own. If you're looking for something quick and easy, the gallery offers a variety of themed stock images that might suit your needs. But if you have a specific image, perhaps a logo or a unique design you'd like to use, you can upload it directly from your computer. After you've made your choice from the gallery or uploaded an image, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Insert button to add the selected image as the header for your form. Google Forms does a good job of automatically resizing and fitting the image to the appropriate space, which makes this process quite seamless. And there you have it. Your Google form now boasts a new header image, giving it a polished and distinctive look. And that's all there is to it. A straightforward yet effective way to enhance the appearance of your Google form. Remember, a visually appealing form can make a significant difference in the way respondents perceive and interact with it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Until next time, happy form creating.